Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to our channel and thank you for choosing us. Today, I want to introduce a course that can be very useful for those who are interested in programming and just starting out. The course is called Python for Absolute Beginners. It is a step-by-step guide for Python beginners. So far, this course has had 1,366 students and was created by Angsha Goyal. The latest update to this course was in January 2025, which is this month. The language of this course is English. Let's review the course information together. The duration of this course is 1 hour and 30 minutes, and it is in video format. With a one-time purchase of this course, you will have full lifetime access to it. The topics you will learn in this course include: understand the basics of Python programming, gain a clear understanding of Python syntax, keywords, and structure to write simple yet effective code. Master variables, data types, and operators. Learn how to create and manipulate variables, and explore Python's core data types, strings, integers, floats. Write efficient control flow statements. Build conditional programs using if, else, and elif, and leverage loops for and while to handle repetitive tasks. Work with Python's core data structures. Develop the ability to use lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets to store and process data effectively. The original price of this course is approximately €45, but with the method I will teach you, you can get this course completely free. To do this, just open your browser and search for the keyword top off for you. By searching this keyword, the first result that comes up is our desired site. However, please note that after searching in your browser, the link of this site must be topofforyou.com, which you can also see on the screen. Let's visit the site. This site includes hundreds of courses with 100% discount coupons, allowing you to get Udemy courses completely free. To access Python for Absolute Beginners, click on the Offers option at the top of the site. Then select the IT and Software filter in the All Categories section, and finally search. Scroll down the page to find the desired course. I've found the course and clicked on it. To get this course for free, just scroll down the page and click on the Get Coupon button. You will see that we are redirected to the Udemy site. However, this time instead of paying €45 for the course, we can get it completely free and start learning. But note that this discount coupon is available and usable for 3 days from now. So to get the course for free, click on the Add to Cart button on this page. This way, the course will be easily accessible to us. To access other courses and get your desired courses, you can return to the Top Off For You site and search for your desired course within this site. But please note that the discount coupons on this site have a limited time. So to get each course, you need to act quickly to get the course completely free before the coupon expires. If you found this video helpful, please like and share the video, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest free courses. Until the next video, goodbye.